And I still had a conversation. I remember her calling my phone. And what were you calling her for at 16? The other baby mama. This is nonsense. She was harassing me at work. May I say, therefore, does not lay grave in today's time. This drama. That's what she brought to me. The plaintiff, she has no interest. Period. Did you communicate a month back? 3226. Judgment for the plaintiff. He demised. I understand that, but you never did. No. This is not my first rodeo. The day I met him, ma'am, he was not a legal stranger. Believe it. And how much would he give you? They were told there because I stayed with parents, that family member, or photographs of things. Anything that was used, described to me. How much was that? The case is currently into the ceremony, so.